Suze. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some DIY bath bombs with a special secret ingredient that I use. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, then please keep watching. So today I'm going to be doing a large batch of bath bombs. We're a family of 6, so I need to triple my usual recipe. So today we're going to be using bicarb soda. You're going to need 3 cups of 1 cup of baking powder, 1.5 cups of Epsom salts. I've got around ½ cup of citric acid. And for the secret ingredient, we have coconut oil. The coconut oil, a little trick, is a game changer with bath bombs. It allows you to have them solidify quite quickly. You're also going to need some essential oils. Today I'm going to be using Miss Dior type. And these are from Artisan Candle Fragrance Luxe Aroma, and I bought these from Aroma Candles in Melbourne. I have buttercream vanilla, and I also have lavender, which I think this one was just from Kmart. I will be adding those to the recipe as well. First, we're going to add the bicarb soda. It's 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups. Next, we're going to add our citric acid. And what we're doing now is we're adding all of the dry ingredients together first. Epsom salts, so we need 1.5 cups. It's taking a while. We need baking powder. Baking powder is a little different to baking soda. It contains powders similar to cornstarch in here. Most people just add cornstarch, but I prefer to add this. It gives the bath bombs a little bit more fizzle to them. 1 cup of baking powder. Around a cup, that should be plenty. Now we're going to mix our ingredients together. And give it a good stir. This is just to combine all of the dry ingredients together. So once all of your dry ingredients are combined, we're going to get 3 separate bowls. And just divide the ingredients. Now once our ingredients are now divided, we're going to start adding in our mica powder. So I have here some purple, yellow and blue. And I'll be doing blue for Miss Dior, lavender for the purple, and buttercream vanilla. I can't wait to try this one. Buttercream vanilla for the yellow. Okay. So let's try a little bit at a time. These are quite strong. If you don't have mica powder, feel free to use some cooking colouring, that will work the same. So now that all of our ingredients have their colouring in them, so we have buttercream yellow, lavender purple and blue Miss Dior. Now we're going to be adding in our coconut oil. I'm going to melt that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Then we'll be adding a teaspoon at a time and just mixing it very slowly. Now we have our coconut oil melted down. I'm going to add a tablespoon. We will do one at a time. And you just want to combine it so it's nice and crummy. You just want to stir it until it becomes a fine crumb. We don't want the baking soda to fizz up too much. Now's a good time to add your essential oil. You can add about 1/4 teaspoon. It's about 10 drops. So I've actually added 3 tablespoons to this. And the trick to know when it's ready is when you grab a handful, you want it to form when you go and press down onto it. So if it's doing that, it's ready. Now we're just going to continue for the rest of the ingredients. So now that we've done our colours and they're all mixed, we're going to be needing some moulds. So I purchased these ones from eBay. They're just little bath bomb moulds. I think they're about $4 for a pack of 6. Depending on where you get them from, they might be a little bit more. But if you don't have these, just use some ice cube moulds or silicone moulds, any kind of cupcake mould, you can use that as well. Just make sure it's pushed down tight and let it dry, and then you can just pop it out and throw it in the bathtub. Okay, so let's get on to making them. A little trick to make them look a little bit fancy if you're going to give them as a gift. You can use sprinkles. And what I'm going to do is just pop a little bit of sprinkles in the bottom here. Just enough to cover this little circle in the middle. Then we're going to pop a little bit of the mixture in here and push it down just slightly. Okay, fill up the other side of the mould. And just lightly press them together. You don't want to press them too hard because they'll get stuck inside the molds. So just press it together lightly and release. And there you have it, a little bath bomb. Just pop these aside or in the fridge because of the coconut oil. They will solidify quite quickly and they'll harden up. And then you're free to use them. So if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please leave a comment below and subscribe, and thank you for watching.